Well. Good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great, insightful video. Guys, I know that you're waiting on the fight tomorrow. I know. You're waiting to see, I guess, Mr. Paul take on Floyd Mayweather, okay? And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm probably gonna find some place where I can watch this. I'd love to know who you guys think is going to win, okay? But while they're carrying on their circus activity, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say it, real boxer versus clown, okay? Tomorrow night, we need to be worried about things that are going to have an impact on our future, okay? There's nothing wrong with having some fun. It's summertime. It's time to go to the beach. It's time to spend time with family. It's time to hang out and have a good time. Watch a couple of boxing matches, MMA, whatever it is that you do. Golf, going out there and having fun. But I want to challenge all of my subscribers. Take a little time to just do a little research or listen to some research each day to move you and propel you in the direction that you want to go to secure your financial freedom. So with that, I want to talk to you about something awesome that's going on Coinbase. If you didn't know, now you're about to know. Dogecoin, oh God, I said it. Dogecoin is now available for purchase and trade on Coinbase. Now, there it is, guys. Look at that. Dogecoin, you can now buy it and sell it. Okay, and I guess exchange it on Coinbase. The reason why this is such a big deal, guys, is that, and I don't know if I've actually shown this in a video. Today I'm going to show you. Anytime Coinbase decides that a new crypto or an existing crypto is now going to be allowed on their exchange, there's always going to be an upward swing because of the number of people that use Coinbase. For that matter, any exchange, anytime a blockchain or one of these coins associated with a blockchain manages to be put on another exchange, it allows that many more people the ability to buy it. Maybe there were people out there that didn't have a Bittrex account or didn't have a Robinhood account and they wanted to buy some Doge. Well, they didn't have a way to do it because they were just sitting up there with their Coinbase account and they felt secure because Coinbase has very high scrutiny. Well, guess what? They don't have to go to Bittrex now. They don't have to have that other account. By the way, if you would like to open a Coinbase account and you don't have the links in the description, of course, there's a link for Bittrex too. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of cool links. Check them out in the description. But right now, I want to talk about Coinbase and some explosive things that you may not be aware of with regards to why this is such a big deal. So let's talk about it. I've already shown you that now Doge is available on Coinbase, and I have dogged Doge to the infinite level. I have stated that I don't believe Elon Musk has influence to the impact that these people are stating. I have stated that Doge is a crap coin, and so is Shiba Inu, but there's just one little problem, and I want to direct your attention to what I'm about to show you, and I'm going to paint a picture that might just blow your mind. You know, Coinbase is a monster, okay? And for those who don't know, they went public, okay? You could buy it on the New York Stock Exchange now, I believe. But what most people don't know is that the thing that I keep dogging these blockchains about, Coinbase is making their own inroads to allow developers to be able to harness the power of these blockchains. And what I'm about to show you, you need to hold on and fasten your seatbelt. Look at this. They have a developer tab right here at the top of the Coinbase site. And look at this. They're talking about Connect, enable users to buy, sell, and store crypto. They've got accept crypto from anyone, commerce, programmatically manage crypto, Bison Trails, pioneering blockchain infrastructure, wallet link your decentralized app to mobile wallets, Rosetta, integrate your blockchain everywhere, build with Coinbase Cloud. Folks, this is an explosive capability being offered by a decentralized exchange. In English, my translation of what I'm seeing here is anyone that has a Coinbase account, should developers take it upon themselves to actually integrate the capability that's being given to them right here in this particular API and the affiliated APIs, any one of the coins that is tradable on Coinbase can now be accepted inside of an app that we haven't even seen yet, utilizing Coinbase's APIs. I'm going to say it another way. The worthless Dogecoin is now worth something because we can take a Coinbase API and integrate the capability into our application to accept it. Did you just catch what I said? Let's throw the ball a little further now that we've got our first down, thanks to Coinbase, not Doge. Let's see if we can make 10 more yards. Let's go over here and just dig down into Connect and look at what exactly Crypto Big Boss is talking about. Look at this. Getting started, and it has the API key authentication, permissions, notifications, errors, send and receive BTC, buy and sell BTC, price data, integrating, mobile integration, permissions, two-factor authentication. Folks, if you don't understand what you're looking at here, let's just read this paragraph. The Coinbase API allows developers, this is what I was saying, to use the Oath2 protocol to allow Coinbase users to grant a third-party application full or partial access to his or her account without sharing the account API key or login credentials. It is slightly more complex integration than the API key authentication method, but is more flexible. Okay? Let me boil that down for people like me that want to understand what that means. Folks, in my mind, this means this. Let's say someone wants to, for whatever reason, write some kind of code for, I don't know, maybe they want to accept Dogecoin for macrame. If you know what macrame is, for all the ladies out there, holler if you hear me. You do macrame, you want to accept Dogecoin for something that you make. Maybe you crochet. Maybe you make chocolate. Maybe you bake. Maybe you build software. Maybe you do woodworking, guys. Maybe you have something out there that you do, t-shirts, whatever it is. Well, if folks have a Coinbase account and you integrate this API into your website, you can now accept whatever one of these coins that are tradable for whatever good or service that you provide. The very thing that I was criticizing Dogecoin for, and Shiba Inu. This right here is a bridge that will effectively make any coin tradable on Coinbase valuable. The failure of the different blockchain czars to create an infrastructure that brings about developers to be able to bring that coin from the blockchain to the application and between individuals. That restriction has now been removed because of Coinbase. This to me is explosive news. Okay? Explosive news. I'm going to click on the getting started. I have not looked at this. I want to see. Okay? Here they are talking about getting started. Coinbase Pro's fully featured trading API offers an efficient way for developers to build digital asset trading applications and to offer related functionality. You can build tools that track the market, view your trading history. Okay, this is very similar to, say, CoinGecko. CoinGecko has this ability. Now, I don't know if this is free. CoinGecko's ability is free. But what I'm talking about is being able to send and receive different coins, I think is going to be big. Okay, let's look at this send and receive BTC. Okay, ability to send and receive Bitcoin is one of the core building blocks of any Bitcoin application. Okay, Coinbase API provides a very easy way to do that, either by using an API key to receive or send funds using your own wallets, or by using Coinbase Connect to do it on behalf of other Coinbase users. So if they extend this capability, folks, if they extend this capability to all of the coins that you can trade on Coinbase, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Look at the languages that they're supporting. Python, Ruby, Node.js. These are the flavors of the day, folks. This is today's most modern languages, front and center, with a virgin Coinbase company that has just gone public with untold capability that hasn't really been tapped by the people that have to build future applications on the blockchain. Oh man, did I just give away the big secret? It looks like the DEXs are going to solve some of the big problems associated with the blockchains and bring value to digital currency. If you found this video informative and you are not a subscriber, do yourself a favor. Subscribe. Do your friends a favor. Share this video and throw up the likes. Holla if you hear me. Drop the comments in the comment section. Check out the links we've got in our description. Folks, I've enjoyed this. I hope you've enjoyed it. Whatever you need to know about this particular capability, if you'd like to, if you need to dig further in it, please drop a comment in the comment section. Hope you've enjoyed it. That's all I got for now, and I'll catch you on the next one.